Hey, what's happening, guys? It's Tyler from Valve News Network, and today I'm going to be reviewing the custom map builder found in the new Portal 2 mod, Aperture Tag. So in case you don't know, Aperture Tag is a new retail Portal 2 mod available on the Steam store. It takes place within the normal Portal 2 universe. The only difference being is you are in a separate wing of the Aperture Science laboratories, not testing the Aperture Science handheld portal device, but instead a different device that dispenses paint. Most of this idea is based off the original game that Valve took the gel idea from, Tag the Power of Paint. But I'm not going into a review of the game, I'm going into a review of the custom map editor that was included within the mod. Now, most of us are completely familiar with the Portal 2 Perpetual Testing Initiative, which is Valve's fancy way of saying Portal 2's custom level editor. The new gameplay mechanics of this mod have been ported over to the awesome level editor. The level editor's interface is identical to the one found in Portal 2. In fact, it is the exact same thing. The differences you'll find is within the inventory of items that you can use to be able to create your levels. The new entities in this level editor include doors, logic bridges, and trigger spaces. Doors are honestly just something that has to be included in the Portal 2 level editor and just hasn't been. It legitimately is just another door that can separate different sections from a puzzle. But with the inclusion of doors, certain items should also be included, and that is why we also have trigger spaces. A trigger space is only just a trigger. When a player steps into the space that the trigger occupies, it will activate a certain object within the level. Logic bridges are a bit more complicated, but not that difficult to understand. All they really do is make sure a certain number of events happen within a level for something else to happen. Usually these have to do with doors opening. All other new additions pertain to the mod's gameplay mechanics. The paint fizzlers found within the single-player campaign are intact, and wall portals are also added. Full Steamworks integration has been implemented since day one of the game's release, and although this game is not nearly as popular as the actual Portal 2, there is a large amount of custom maps that people can already play this early in the game's release. The only addition to the level editor that I do not understand is the Crusher. Now, the Crusher was intended to be a very large portion within Portal 2's original campaign. Mostly it would appear in puzzles using the orange gel, but Valve actually thought it was too difficult to be able to put within the final release. In this mod, however, there are a lot of orange gel puzzles that implement the Crusher. However, within the level editor itself, the Crusher is kind of clunky and awkward to use, and I really couldn't figure out how to put it within any of the levels that I created. Overall, this map editor is a great addition to a Portal 2 mod, and I really hope that future mods with new gameplay mechanics implement a very similar system. Anyways, guys, that was my review of the map editor found in Portal Tag. If you like this video, click the like button down below, comment, favorite, like, again, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. As you know, I'm Tyler McVicker. This is Valve News Network. Adios.